Taking a look at this Mercedes we've been following. It's getting set up for its alignment. Let's check it out. Okay, so we just got done watching the alignment be done. Everything's good and smooth. Was very easy. Just the right side need to be adjusted along with the driver's side on the front part of the vehicle. So next part is this car is going to go off and it's going to have the bumper installed. We didn't get approval from insurance to blend the hood. Reason that we would blend it is we're putting on a new part and you want everything to match correctly. Sometimes insurance will come back and say no, it's not worth it, so they're not going to allow us to do that. Once that part's done, then this car's going to go up to the 5-star diagnostics check, and we're going to make sure everything's done. The car passes inspection, it meets all the safety protocols, and it's ready to be driven. Stick around.